Get ready for today's episode, featuring moments where troopers narrowly avoid colliding with the suspect's vehicle, dramatic scenes of officers smashing the suspect's windows, and instances of suspects losing control and crashing in a horrific manner. The Arkansas State Police initiated a pursuit of a pickup truck after it was detected speeding, prompting an immediate chase.
Coming up on Spring Hill. 71 secondary, I got the radio. Just drive 40. When you get a chance, we get past this traffic. Hit him.
True, great copy.
71 we're off, past the 156, 107.
The pursuit concluded when a trooper executed a PT maneuver, effectively bringing the chase to an end. Although the maneuver posed certain risks, it was ultimately successful.
10-4, copy, 10.
Do not rush that car. Do not rush that car. 40, get out of your car.
Hey, kill him! Kill him! Kill him! Get back!
Following the successful PT maneuver, troopers exited their vehicles to apprehend the suspect, effectively concluding the pursuit on all fronts.
And I will own him. You guys check the back seat. Roger? 10-4. All right. Alex, I'm going to get the door. You're on him. Copy? Anything in the back, guys? Back's clear. Okay. Here we go. Can't either. I'm going to get the window. You want me to bust it? I can bust it. You can bust it. You're right. Hands, motherfucker! Show me your fucking hands! Hands! Seatbelt. Somebody cut the seatbelt. We got it. All right. Alex is back up.
The Arkansas State Police pursued a black pickup truck that was detected speeding in a zone with a 45 miles per hour speed limit.
We're still eastbound, dispatch iron, approaching Interstate 530. Still a lot of traffic. Speed 75. Approaching 530. What time is 235 pushing up? Still Dixon Road eastbound. Light traffic. Looks like we're going to go on 530 northbound from Dixon. We're still 530 northbound, 87 miles an hour. Still northbound, lead brake checking the trooper, 90 miles an hour, moderate traffic.
The pursuit escalated to speeds exceeding 100 miles per hour, creating a significant danger for other drivers, as well as for both the suspect and the troopers involved.
Our traffic PA.
At one point, one of the troopers attempted to terminate the pursuit using a pit maneuver. However, his initial attempt was unsuccessful and he nearly collided with the suspect's vehicle. His second attempt at the petit maneuver was successful, effectively ending the pursuit. After bringing the suspect to a stop, the troopers quickly exited their vehicles and apprehended the suspect, placing him in handcuffs.
No, you gonna get the door, bud. Hands! Watch the door. Unlock the door! Watch. I got it. Watch yourself. Get out! Get out! Hands up! Hands up! Get out! Get on the tree! Get on the tree!
The Arkansas State Police observed a gray vehicle that appeared suspicious. Upon checking the license plates, they discovered that the vehicle's registration had expired. When the suspect noticed the trooper's car behind him at a traffic light, he fled, running the red light and accelerating rapidly. The pursuit concluded when the suspect stopped his vehicle at a second traffic light. A trooper exited his vehicle, retrieved his baton, and broke the suspect's car window to safely extract him from the vehicle. The officers placed the suspect in handcuffs and made the arrest. The conclusion of the pursuit was unexpected and somewhat chaotic. Troopers received reports of a vehicle speeding through city streets and responded immediately. Upon locating the car, they initiated a chase, but the way the pursuit concluded was both chaotic and unexpected. The pursuit ended when the suspect attempted to merge onto the highway but lost control and crashed in a chaotic manner. Fortunately, the suspect was unharmed. She exited the vehicle and surrendered to the police without further incident. After arresting the driver, troopers searched the vehicle to determine if there were any additional occupants. However, they found no one else in the car, confirming that only the suspect was present.
Anything in there? Yeah. It came here. That unit that is open.
We're on the approaching, we want key from 312
Do you have anything on you? Everything, sir.